This tutorial shows you how to run the screening report in Renaissance Place Star Reading. So from our Symbaloo page, the third icon down on the left is Renaissance Place. You'll click there, get logged in. When you're logged in, click on Star Reading, then select Screening, Progress Monitoring, and Intervention. You won't have as many campuses listed here as I do, but go ahead and select your class. We want to run the screening report. I like to go ahead and put checks in every single box here. And then I'll select a test class to run the report on. Then I simply click View Report. Depending on the web browser you're using, you may have to click Open at the bottom of the page. So then in this particular report, each bar represents a student. Green means those students at or above benchmark. Blue means students to watch. Yellow means those students are in need of intervention. And red are your students in need of urgent intervention. If you scroll down through the report, you can actually see which students fall into those categories. And for the purposes of this report, to protect student privacy, I've gone ahead and covered up the names in each category, but it will actually list out your student names and how they fall in each category. SS stands for scaled score, PR percentile rank, GE is grade equivalent, ORF is oral reading proficiency, and then ZPD is our zone of proximal development.